The classification of fungi. The classification of fungi was proposed W. Martin in the year of 1961. The fungi can be classified into two, that is, a Myxomycetes and Eumycetes. Myxomycetes is a simple mold only, and Eumycetes is a true fungi. It can be further classes in four, divided into four. That is, a class 1 is Phycomycetes, class 2 is the Ascomycetes, and class 3 is the Basidiomycetes, and class 4 is the Deuteromycetes. And Phycomycetes is the examples are daily use bread, bread mold. These are the Phycomycetes. Is based on the structural and then sexual reproduction. It can be classified into the four classes. So, and then Phycomycetes are examples of bread mold. Class Ascomycetes is examples of yeast. Is a anaerobic plant. Anaerobic means consumption of carbon dioxide. And then Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes is the examples of agaricus. Agaricus what? Mushroom, no. And Deuteromycetes is examples of fusarium. So these are all the classification of fungi. And economic importance of fungi, that is, it comes to the four: antibiotic, food, vitamins, and alcohol. Antibiotic is we know that Penicillin notatum is a famous in penicillin, no, penicillin, neomycin, gentamicin, erythromycin. Throat infection we use the what tablet? Erythromycin tablet only we used for the throat infection. Or some antibiotics obtained from fungi only, which cure variable disease. And food, mushroom is a rich protein and mineral contents, is a edible, no, agaricus, button mushroom. And vitamins, fungus, erythromycin, ashby are used to produce vitamin B2, that is the riboflavin. Of gossip also is used to the vitamin B2. And alcohol is a fungus like yeast, no, anaerobic. The fermentation mainly used what? Yeast, no, it's a anaerobic, contains enzyme invertase. What is the enzyme? Invertase zymase. These the fermentation process involve these two enzyme, invertase and zymase. And then ferment sugar molasses into what? Alcohol. It's turned into the sugar molasses into the alcohol. So these are all economic importance of fungi. And harmful effects of fungi, what is that? Disease caused in plants and human beings. In disease caused in plants, that is the pathogen, the name of fungi, fusarium. What classes will come? Eumycetes and Deuteromycetes, no, the classes. The fusarium, oxysporum. This is caused disease what? Wilt disease of cotton. Okay, cotton, in cotton plant is caused what disease? Wilt disease. And Cercospora personata, the pathogen, the name of fungi, is causes groundnut plant in ticca disease, is caused the ticca disease. And Colitotrichum falcatum, this is the pathogen name, is a red rot of sugar cane. It's caused to sugar cane plant. And Pyricularia oryzea, it's a oryzea means what? Is a paddy disease, blast disease of paddy, infected in the paddy plant. Albugo candida is a white rust of radish plants, is caused to white rust. So these are all caused by fungi in plants. And now we see that human Trichophyton species is caused what? Ringworm. We know the circular rashes on the skin, no, that is the ringworm. It's due to whom is caused? The fungi name is Trichophyton. And Microsporum furfur, that is the caused disease what? Dandruff. Reason, who's this reason? The fungi only the reason. Microsporum furfur. And Tinea pedis, this the fungi name. It's a athlete's foot. In our foot itches will burning will come, no, athlete's foot. So these are caused Tinea pedis, the name of fungi. Okay, these are all disease caused by fungi in human. And now we see the differences between algae and fungi. Algae is the autotrophs, no, so because they can be making a own food, but fungi are heterotrophs. Algae it has pigments, fungi no pigments. And reserve food materials is what? Algae starch, and fungi is a glycogen and oil. Some of algae prokaryotic, but fungi, all the fungi is a eukaryotic in nature. Your example, algae is cyanobacteria, nostoc, cannabinae, these are all example. Here eukaryotic nature in agaricus example. These are all differences between algae and fungi.